Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Sharpie oil-based Sharpie. I just bought this a couple of days ago with the intention to fix the keyboard where the letters are starting to disappear. So what I bought, I took the Sharpie over a no name, and it says it's oil-based, which should stick quite good. It's metallic because I can't remember why I bought this, but I think it does. It's better than any kind of white. So I took this metallic silver, and it comes with an I think ultra fine tip. I can't see it here, but I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, so here we have it, extra fine point. So that's the smallest version of this one, and I've already tried here. I have to find it with the camera. So the minus. So I had that's the plus with the sound, and that was supposed to be the minus, and the minus was completely gone. It was just a black key. And look at this, it's not bad. So it's even better than anticipated. It's really good. I mean, I would like to have it even more fine a little bit, but it's not bad. I mean, you can see it's like a minus, and when I push and I rub on it, you can see I'm really rubbing on it. The color stays on quite well. Here we have a close-up. So yeah, it's hard to see anything, but yeah, you get the point. It's really good, visible. That's not bad, I think. So, and I will try now on another key, so you can see that this really works. So that first part of this video reminded me that with the close-up that it's time to clean my keyboard, and so I took a really wet towel, and when I was rubbing over this area, over this key, you can see I'm really heavy rubbing, and it's still there. I hope I can make the close-up, and you can see it's still wet, but the mark is still here. So yeah, that's not bad. So yeah, okay, now I will do that with the A. You can see the A is partly disappeared. So I will try now. I have been cleaning it, but just with water, but I hope it will be okay. So let's do that. So what's really important with this marker is that you shake it really good. There's a ball inside, and it will help to make the color nice and evenly inside. The thing is, here the tip, hope you can see that, it's movable. Hope we can see that. So I go a little bit closer, and so I try. So it's difficult with the camera, but I'll try. You can see so how it does. It really paints really nicely, but only after I was pushing a couple of times inside. You can push, so you can see. So I think it is needed at the beginning that it really works. You have to push a couple of times inside and shake, but shake only with the cap on. You need the cap. I was shaking vigorously and without the cap, and the tip flew off. I mean, it totally, yeah, it came out. The tip, really, this metal thing, hope you can focus a little bit on that. This metal part the tip came really outside. So the the silver part on the right side, that's the plastic, it stayed there, but the whole metal part came out and flew on my desk, and it caused a little bit of a mess. Not too much, but a small area which was a little bit full of paint. And I tried to clean with water, and it didn't work. It's oil-based. It's really strong, and yeah, it's a reason why this thing here is still here. And so I grabbed a little bit of the isopropyl alcohol, which is basically rubbing alcohol, and with that I was easily able to clean. I think it was here in this area. Yeah, here I have the wet towel, everything. It's a little bit a mess. So here in this area there was this spill after the tip came off, and I cleaned it with this isopropyl alcohol, and I think it didn't damage. So I think when I mess up the keyboard, then I can clean it with the alcohol. So now let's do the rewriting of the keyboard. Okay, so I'm recording from the side. It's 90 degrees rotated, but I hope you can see that. And so I'm trying without the magnifying glass. Usually I would try, but then you wouldn't see anything. So I try without. Okay, I make it a little bit bigger. Okay, yeah, it's not really nice, but you can see it's an A, and also I can see it's an A. So I'm not a really nice writer. I'm not a guy who has really nice writing, but I think you can see that. So I leave it for a moment, and so it can dry, but I'm pretty sure it will be the same as the minus here on, where is it, here on top, that it will stay on for quite some time. I mean, the A, yeah, is probably a key which I will use a lot, so maybe I have to redo it after months or two. So I'll see. I don't want to wait with the video to do that, but I just wanted to see. Let's see. Yeah, it's not dry. Okay, that was too early. So it needs like a couple of minutes. I haven't checked. Maybe there's some instruction here. I haven't checked that. So unfortunately it doesn't say a lot of that. Here we see the directions: remove cap with marker in tip, up position, depress point with finger, and so on. You can read that for your own if you need that, but it looks like there is no timing. But yeah, I put a lot of color onto this keyboard, and it looks like yeah, after a minute or so that was not long enough to wait. So I will definitely try again after 5 minutes or so. I mean, yeah, since I've done this the key here, it was about 5 minutes or so. 5 minutes seemed to be good, but you can see it has a small dent, seems, but it didn't damage really this pen. So yeah, but overall, again, when we look at this key, the A key, it's a little bit out of focus. I mean, I'm super happy with that, because yeah, even when the letter is not super clear, but again, I'm able to see it, what it means. There will be some other keys which need repaint, and I will do that because I don't get this keyboard. That's a Swiss keyboard. I don't get it in US, so yeah, it's a little bit difficult for me. So I'll try to put a little bit paint on that. But you can see the color is really nice. I mean, and it's possible to yeah, put the letters on the keys. Maybe you have to do it a little bit larger, same style as I did, but it should be able to do that. And especially if you have keys which are not used so much, then they will probably stick like the minus here. But if you're working on that, yeah, maybe you have to redo that every month or so. I will update this video later, of course, like in a couple of weeks, couple of months or so, and I will let you know how it turned out. But at the moment, I'm super happy with that, and it was a good decision to go with that. But yeah, again, when you shake it, make sure that the cap is closed, otherwise you can cause a real mess. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.